Hi, I'm Diana Moore, a librarian here at Palm Beach State College. I'm the primary liaison at the library for our bachelor's degree students, and I'm currently working on a PhD in computing technology and education. I love research and helping students and faculty learn about the research resources we have available right here in our library. Learning about these resources can help anyone to become a more efficient researcher and maximize their time and effort. So today, I'm going to introduce you to the research resources we have here at Palm Beach State College. It's another reason to love your library. The library's website is where you will discover books, ebooks, journal articles, reference databases, and many more resources that will help you with your research. We like to think of our library as a 24/7 library that is always accessible to members of our Palm Beach State College family, students, faculty, staff, and administration. Some of the materials in the library are only available once you have been authenticated, meaning that you have demonstrated that you are a member of the Palm Beach State College family. Students can access the library by logging in first through PantherWeb and then clicking on the library icon on their home screen. Employees can access the library by first logging into Employee Web and then clicking on the library. And then clicking on the library link under Miscellaneous in the drop-down menu. Doing this will grant you access to all the subscription materials in the library. Notice that my name appears here in the upper right-hand corner. If I were not authenticated, it would say Guest here. From here, we can search through most of the materials in the library. LinkWeb searches through most of our databases as well as our book catalog. The library contains thousands of print books that are easily searchable with just a few strokes. These are the only materials minus a few print journals where you must physically come into the library to access them. Everything else is available electronically. Here I can simply type in my search keywords as you saw, and you can see that I get numerous results. I can easily narrow down my search by format to view just books. And here I can access details about that book, including subject headings and the call number so that I can access it on the shelf. Now, ebooks are available 24/7 from anywhere that has an internet connection. The library has over 60,000 ebooks currently in the collection, and that number increases every year. Here I can narrow down my selection to ebook format. And here I have 9 that are available. I will select this one. And by clicking on it, I bring up the basic bibliographic information, author, title, subject headings. And then if I want to view the actual book itself, I can click ebook full text here. And here it is. From here, I can navigate through the table of contents, even the index. To find a certain page number perhaps I'd like to go to, page 25. And there is the start of part 2. I can navigate with these arrows to the right and to the left. I can copy and paste sections from the ebook, in quotation marks, of course, and giving proper credit. And here under Tools, I can search through the book for particular phrases. Ebooks are versatile and interactive, as you can see, and available anytime and anywhere, making them a valuable resource, especially for our e-learning students. You'll find that throughout this presentation, most of our resources are available equally to online students as they are to face-to-face students. Accessing our databases is very easy. Simply click on Databases A to Z at the top here. And here is a list of our databases from A to Z, alphabetically. We have approximately 150 databases that cover all subjects, including ERIC. And now I'm authenticated so I can connect to database. And here I will search Higher Education Administration. And you can see I get a lot of results here. I'll narrow them down to peer-reviewed only. And I'll select an article. Here we have the abstract, basic bibliographic information, the descriptors. I can click on the PDF full text to view it in PDF format, which is just an image of what it looked like in its original publication. I can save it, I can print it, I can copy text from it. It's very interactive. And now we're back at the library's portal to all of your research needs. If we click on the Research Help link here, it takes us to the LibGuides. Here you can find guides on topics, from citing sources to doing academic research guides created to individual classes. Each guide is created by a librarian and updated as needed. You can search by subject. I'm going to look for this Guide to Academic Research here. This is a guide to academic research for students. You can see that it's tab delineated here. You can navigate it by tab, choosing a topic, finding resources, evaluating resources, citing resources, and these will take you to different guides that have also been created. I'm currently expanding this guide to become an online tutorial using SoftChalk that will function as a tool to help students who have returned to school after a hiatus of 5 or more years to become reacclimated to academic research in the electronic age. You can see on our website we have an icon here for the Plagiarism Resource Center. This is also a LibGuide that was created, and one of our highlighted ones. It was developed in collaboration with librarians, PTLC staff, and the Student Learning Center. It is a good tool for plagiarism education and prevention. As you can see, we have a plethora of research resources available to students both in person and online. We have numerous customized guides, including a guide to academic research that will be an online interactive tutorial available in January. The most important resource, however, that we have for research goes beyond databases, books, and guides. It is our librarians themselves. Librarians are professionals who are expert researchers, information specialists, and citation gurus, among other things. They are expert faculty who specialize in information literacy. They teach others how to use critical thinking skills in order to find, retrieve, analyze, and use data effectively, efficiently, and ethically. There is always a librarian at the reference desk on the second floor of the library when the library is open. Anywhere you see this Ask a Librarian icon, you can click on it to find out how you can call, email, chat with, text, IM, or make an appointment with a professional librarian. We can meet with you to discuss your research needs and help you develop an appropriate strategy to completing your research efficiently. Our services are available both in person and virtually. As the distance learning liaison to the library here at the Lake Worth campus, I have been working specifically to provide increased access to the resources we have for our e-learning students. Through Cephalon Connect, which uses Adobe Connect Pro meeting software, I am able to meet with our e-learning students in my virtual office, where I can see and speak with students online using a webcam, as well as do screen shares and PowerPoint or whiteboard-style interactive presentations. This provides our online students the same quality of service meeting with a professional librarian as they would coming physically to the library. I've also developed a mobile version of our website for our students who use their smartphones to access the internet and do research. According to a Pew Research study, 35% of American adults own smartphones. That's more than 1/3 of our adult population. 25% of them use their phones as their main access point to the internet rather than a computer. 1/3 of these smartphone-only internet users lack a home broadband connection. According to the International Data Corporation, by 2015, most people in the U.S. will access the internet via mobile devices than through computers. This includes media tablets like the iPad. A mobile platform for our library's website will help to accommodate these students and faculty who choose to access the internet through mobile devices. QR codes are becoming increasingly prevalent in the U.S. as a means to provide mobile information to individuals with smartphones from static positions, such as from a poster or handout. You will find that the library will use these more and more to provide added value to information for our students and faculty as our mobile world grows. There is, of course, a LibGuide on QR codes, which is where this QR code will take you. Currently, we have a program called QR Code Adventures in the Library, which acts as an introduction to QR codes while providing a virtual library orientation and information literacy information through short animated videos. I developed the program to teach students a new technology with simultaneously teaching them about the library and some basic information literacy concepts. The adventure begins at the reference desk on the second floor of the library. For more information, please feel free to call or email me. Thank you for attending today. You can see that the library has many wonderful research resources available in person and online. It's just one more reason to love your library.